Personal trainers, online fitness coaches, and health professionals, get a pen and pad ready because what I'm about to share with you could quite possibly change your life overnight. I'm going to show you the exact system that helped my client Ashley quit her corporate 9-to-5 and go from barely making $3K a month as an online fitness coach to making $80,000 a month, which is more than her yearly salary at her old 9-to-5. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose why most fitness professionals are stuck in the hamster wheel of sending hundreds of cold DMs that get ignored, posting content that nobody sees or engages with, and working 60+ hour weeks for pocket change, all while showing you how our content and client system is helping trainers just like you make $10,000+ per month in their online fitness coaching business on autopilot. Don't believe me? Let's look at the data. My client Darren went from 12-hour days training at Equinox, making $6,000 a month, to making $91,000 in the past 2 months, and he just quit Equinox to go all in. Matteo and Mike consistently hit $40,000 months through their organic social media content on Instagram, and get this, my client Brooke made $100,000 in her online coaching business within 90 days while still being a part-time nurse. But here's what's really interesting. According to recent data, ad costs are at an all-time high, while trust is at an all-time low in the marketplace. Yet most coaches are still grinding away at outdated strategies. That means spending hours creating content that nobody sees because you're posting and praying, sending hundreds of cold DMs that get ignored, and running ads that burn through money with no results because you have no personal brand. Meanwhile, one of my students, Nick, went from making $7K a month from ads to making $25,000 a month within 90 days after using my framework to build his personal brand organically, and we dialed in his back-end systems. This works because we've created what I call the content to client system. No more wondering what to post, who to target, what to charge, or whether or not you should be running ads, because we already cracked the code through dozens of successful clients. Now let me get this straight. We don't just help you get clients, we help you keep them forever. We do this by installing my back-end retention system into your business that helps you, 1, create a world-class offer that you can charge $2,000 to $3,000 for, and 2, deliver amazing results to your clients so that they will make sure to refer people to you and want to keep renewing with you for years to come. Why is that important? This will allow you to create a sustainable and predictable stream of monthly recurring revenue instead of constantly having to chase new clients every single month. Remember, it's always easier to keep your current clients than to find new ones. Now, you might be wondering, who the hell are you to be making all of these claims? Well, my name's Michaelangelo Gerardi, and I'm the founder and CEO of Next Gen CEOs. 6 years ago, when I became a personal trainer, I quickly realized that in-person training at a gym was not going to allow me to live the life of freedom that I had always dreamed of. I wanted not only financial freedom, but time freedom, along with the ability to travel anywhere in the world without my bank account taking a hit. Being locked up in the gym, splitting commissions, and being overworked and underpaid was not the career opportunity that I saw for myself at that time. And when the pandemic hit, I was forced to transition to online fitness coaching, and within a couple years, I was making $50,000 every single month in my coaching business, and now I make 6 figures every month. In fact, I'm so confident that I can help you build a 6-figure online fitness coaching business that I offer a guarantee. Make 100% ROI on your investment within 90 days, or it's completely free. Now, how can I make such a bold, promise-driven offer like that? Because I'm one of the few fitness business coaches who actually still run and operate an online fitness coaching business, so I'm not teaching you some outdated strategies that only worked a few years ago. And it's just me, so I'm gonna be holding your hand every step of the way to tell you exactly what to do for creating viral content that grows your brand, what to say in the DMs to get people to trust you, what to say on sales calls to charge $2,000 to $3,000 a package, how to create a world-class offer that gets your clients results inside of your own app, and how to turn your clients into raving fans so they never want to leave you. I don't have a giant team, and this is a very, very small, intimate community that I've grown in Next Gen CEO. So here's what to do next. Click below to book your free business strategy session, and let me be clear, this isn't going to be a pushy sales call so you can leave your credit card in the other room. I guarantee you that this will be the most valuable 60 minutes you've ever spent on your business. And even if we never work together, you'll walk away with a clear roadmap to add $10K a month to your current business, an exact action plan to plug the leaky holes in your funnel, and be given actionable steps to build and scale your current online coaching business. But full transparency, I don't take everyone who wants to give me money. If you're not willing to work hard and put in at least 10 to 15 hours a week into your coaching business, please do not schedule a call with me. I only want to talk to people who are serious about improving their lives, are not comfortable with being average, and who have a strong calling to impact others' lives. So just ask yourself, are you tired of trading hours for dollars? Are you sick of missing important moments with your family? And are you ready to build something that actually gives you freedom financially and with your time? Then book your free strategy call below, because remember, every day you're stuck in the gym or in your business is more money being wasted every day. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below, book your free strategy session, and let's build your freedom-filled fitness business together.